Melanie is trying on our small back wrap. The back wrap is a product, a part of the wrap family that has the mustard seed, ginger, and juniper berry formula for muscle strains and relief from pain. The small back wrap along with the large back wrap, they are a contoured shape to sit on the lower back, and then you can warm them up, or if you choose to, you can do a cold application also, and then you can tie them around your waist like Melanie has to do a back treatment. These are also kind of versatile because if you choose to take this off and come down on the side here, you can do a sciatica nerve treatment, and also it's a very effective wrap that you could throw over your shoulder and get to a very difficult spot in the lower to the middle part of the back. So how does this feel on your back right now?
It feels good because I'm able to walk around. I don't have to just sit stationary. I like that you can tie it around and it just sits there, and I feel like she's secure about not losing it, and having to wiggle it into place all the time is perfect. It sits right there.
Great, thank you.